So let's go to the first slide today. The data released over the European session ahead of Wall Street. What caught the imagination this morning?
Well, I mean, there were a few small data points from Europe, but I think we've already touched on the principal news coming out of this side of the pond, and that was the UK election results. The Conservatives snatched a surprise election victory. I put it in inverted commas because as I left the office, they still only got 324 seats. They need 326 to claim an absolute majority. But the polls prior to the exit poll last night, the suggestion was they would run neck and neck with the Labour Party, and that there would be a hung parliament, touch and go as to which one of the two would be the party with the most seats and probably try and form a coalition. That's not the case. It would seem that the Conservatives will form a majority government and rule in their own right. Labour has been decimated by the 56 seats that the SNP have won in Scotland. There's basically 3 seats left to declare, I believe, 2 seats left to declare, and so Labour's been swept out of Scotland. The Tories have done magnificently well, and the other big loser, the Liberal Democrats, 8 seats. Annihilation really is the only word you can use.
Understood. And in terms of the currency markets,
well, I mean, sterling rallied instantly on the release of the exit polls last night, just after 10 o'clock, and it hasn't really looked back since. We've come off the peaks. We did trade above briefly to and through 155. Gilt yields fell, gilt prices rose, and the market has really given the election result as big a thumbs up as it possibly could on a day like today, I think.
Understood.